Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Learn with जैद इकबाल। आज हम किडनी से रिलेटेड कुछ 60 से ज़ायद एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे जो लास्ट टाइम हमारे पास जितने भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स हैं उसके अंदर आ चुके हैं। तो पहला सवाल हमारे पास है, व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द किडनी? राइट आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन ए, नेफ्रॉन। Second question is, which part of the nephron is responsible for filtering blood? Right answer is option B, Bowman's capsule. Where does the majority of reabsorption occur in the nephron? Right answer is option A, proximal convoluted tubule. Which hormone increases water reabsorption in the kidneys? Right answer is option B, antidiuretic hormone ADH. Which structure in the kidney is responsible for regulating blood pressure? Right answer is juxtaglomerular apparatus. What substance is normally not found in urine? Right answer is option B, glucose. Which part of the nephron is impermeable to water? Right answer is option C, ascending limb of the loop of Henle. Which ions are primarily reabsorbed in the distal convoluted tubule? Right answer is option A, sodium and potassium. Which blood vessels carries blood to the kidneys? Right answer is option B, renal artery. What is the role of erythropoietin produced by the kidneys? Right answer is option B, stimulate red blood cells production. Which component of the kidney is primarily involved in the concentration of urine? Right answer is option B, loop of Henle. Which part of the nephron collects urine before it passes into the ureter? Right answer is option D, collecting duct. Which structure connects the kidney to the bladder? Right answer is option B, ureter. Which waste product is primarily excreted by the kidneys? Right answer is option B, urea. Which condition is characterized by the formation of stones in the kidney? Right answer is option B, nephrolithiasis. What is the primary function of the renal medulla? Right answer is option C, concentration of urine. Which blood vessels surround the nephron and participate in the exchange of substances? Right answer is option B, peritubular capillaries. What is the primary role of the kidneys in acid-base balance? Right answer is option B, reabsorbing bicarbonate. Which hormone is released by the adrenal glands to regulate sodium and potassium balance in the kidneys? Right answer is option B, aldosterone. What is the term for the filtration rate of the kidneys? Right answer is option B, glomerular filtration rate. Which of the following is not a function of the kidneys? Right answer is option B, production of digestive enzymes. What is the effect of aldosterone on the kidneys? Right answer is option B, increase sodium reabsorption. Which part of the nephron is primarily involved in active secretion of ions and waste product? Right answer is option B, distal convoluted tubule. Which condition involves the inflammation of the kidney tissues? Right answer is option B, pyelonephritis. What percentage of cardiac output due to kidneys receive? Right answer is option D, 20%. Which of the following is the primary excretive product of protein metabolism? Right answer is option B, urea. Which part of the kidney contains the glomeruli? Right answer is option A, renal cortex. What is the term for the presence of excess protein in the urine? Right answer is option A, proteinuria. Which of the following is a common symptom of chronic kidney disease? Right answer is option A, hypertension. Which electrolyte imbalance is most likely to occur in chronic kidney disease? Right answer is option D, hyperkalemia. Which medication class is commonly used to reduce proteinuria in chronic disease? Right answer is option B, ACE inhibitors. Which condition is characterized by the kidney's inability to excrete waste product? Right answer is option A, uremia. Which imaging technique is commonly used to assess kidney structure and detect abnormalities? Right answer is option C, ultrasound. What is the normal range of serum creatinine in adults? Right answer is option B, 0.6 to 1.2 mg per dl. What is the following is a common cause of acute kidney injury? Right answer is option A, dehydration. Which test measures the ability of the kidneys to clear creatinine from the blood? Right answer is option B, creatinine clearance. Which dietary restrictions is often recommended for patients with chronic kidney disease? Right answer is low sodium. Which of the following is an end-stage treatment option for kidney failure? Right answer is option A, dialysis. Which electrolyte is primarily regulated by the parathyroid hormone and kidneys? Right answer is option C, calcium. Which symptom is indicative of nephrotic syndrome? Right answer is option B, proteinuria. What is the primary function of the loop of Henle? Right answer is option B, reabsorb water and sodium. Which hormone is involved in the regulation of blood pressure and fluid balance by the kidneys? Right answer is option A, aldosterone. Which component of the blood is filtered by the glomerulus but normally not found in the filtrate? Right answer is option A, red blood cells. What is the condition called when there is blood in the urine? Right answer is option B, hematuria. Which condition involves high levels of urea and other nitrogenous waste products in the body? Right answer is option C, uremia. Which renal function test involves measuring the concentration of creatinine in urine and blood? Right answer is option C, creatinine clearance. Which structure of the nephron is responsible for the reabsorption of glucose? Right answer is option A, proximal convoluted tubule. What is the main component of kidney stones? Right answer is option B, calcium oxalate. Which condition is characterized by the formation of fluid-filled sac with the kidneys? Right answer is option B, polycystic kidney disease. Which factor is most closely associated with an increased risk of chronic kidney disease? Right answer is option D, diabetes. Which part of the nephron is primarily involved in the final concentration of urine? Right answer is option C, collecting duct. What is the primary role of renin produced by the kidneys? Right answer is option B, regulate blood pressure. Which kidney disease is characterized by inflammation of the glomeruli? Right answer is option B, glomerulonephritis. nephritis. Which of the following is a complication of chronic kidney disease? Right answer is option B, anemia. What is the purpose of dialysis in kidney failure patients? Right answer is option B, remove waste products from the blood. Which structure is located between the Bowman's capsule and the loop of Henle? Right answer is option A, proximal convoluted tubule. Which of the following is a sign of nephrotic syndrome? Right answer is option C, edema. What is the normal range of blood urea nitrogen BUN in adults? Right answer is option B, 10 to 20 mg upon dl. Which part of the nephron is involved in the secretion of hydrogen ions to maintain acid-base balance? Right answer is option B, distal convoluted tubule. What is the medical term for painful urination? Right answer is option A, dysuria.